What has been your career?
From 2004 to 2015, bago ako pumunta ng Morocco, sa University of Perpetual Help, Las Piñas, for 12 years.
And ano po saan po kayong department nagtatrabaho
Nursing
doon?
din.
Okay.
Because I'm a nurse in profession, licensed nurse in the Philippines, and I work as a faculty member of the College of Nursing in the University of for 12 years.
So 12 years after po nandito na kayo.
Yes, dito ako.
Okay. Let's talk about naman po your passion. Wala naman ba akong question sa passion nyo of teaching?
Yes.
So, yung mission nyo po, anong pakiramdam na ma-share nyo po yung knowledge nyo and when it comes to teaching?
Oh, I think walang hindi mo ma-explain kung ano yung contentment if you're teaching and if your passion is, for example, for me in nursing education, for how many years I've been teaching, usually if you can see your students like, if I go to, for example, in UAE, I go to UK, I go to everywhere, there are a lot of Filipino nurses and most of them or some of them are my students. It's very, satisfying and, like yung mission mo is, na, you make a difference in terms of academy or in terms of education.
Bakit nyo naman po naisipang magtayo ng negosyo dito sa Morocco pa?
Actually, it's easier to have a business here in Morocco compared to Philippines.
Or what are the requirements normally na hinahanap from you?
I just need my ID and you have a local partner, you have your accountant ID and your qualifications to have an institute, a center or formation center like this. If you have a PhD, you are approved.
Ano naman po yung naging pathway nyo bago kayo magtayo ng negosyo? Saan po kayo mga nagtrabaho na bansa before Morocco?
No, Morocco is my first. Actually, I applied for UAE. In this one of the university in UAE, but when I was hired, they assigned me here in Morocco. So the school actually is from UAE, but assigned here in Morocco. So I accepted it. I was able to work with, with a diverse students, because in Philippines I was teaching Filipinos for 12 years. In nursing also.
Okay.
So bali, ngayon mga 16 years na ako nagtuturo sa nursing.
May difference ba or may pagkakatulad ang Filipino students at the Moroccan African students?
Malaki ang pagkakaiba. There are bad and good students everywhere, But in terms of how are you going to impose or implement discipline inside the classroom is different because we have different mentality, we have different values, and here in Morocco, they have a traditional way of, inside the classroom. So, like for example, in the Philippines, you can interact more with boys or male or yes. But here you have to be. They are conservative on that.
Okay.
Yes, and the way they learn is different also. You can see in the Philippines, medical students, they are hardworking. They have a lot of assignments. They have here, no, you cannot do that. That you have to, every day you have to give assignments, no. They don't like to have a lot of assignments.
What is the most rewarding part of having a business? At kayo po, na isang Filipina, no, representing us here in Morocco.
Rewarding is yung time nyo po. Because if you are an employee, you have to run after your time. Like if you have 8 to 5, you have to wake up early in the morning. Now I have a lot of me time.
Yes.
I have slow morning. I mean, like you can drink your coffee. How many long periods of time in the morning, yes.
True. Kung pakiramdam na may negosyo po kayo dito sa Morocco?
Rewarding at the same time, challenging, but yes, masarap ang may negosyo. kahit sa Pilipinas, pag mayroon kang pera at negosyo, masarap kasi you have your own time. Same here. You have a lot of time, so pag masipag ka and you have, resources, you can double you can expand or you have other business too. Kasi dito, medyo okay ang business. Like, for example, you can see some of the Filipinos here are working in, usually in the salon, like massage therapist, doing, manicure, pedicure, sa salon sila nagtatrabaho. So this actually is a good business here.
Ano po yung advice nyo sa mga kababayan natin who also wants to set up their business abroad?
I think pag-set up ng business, hindi siya madali, pero mas rewarding kasi yung time. Kasi pag, most of the Filipinos are working inside the household, caregiver. But now, you can see there are some Filipinos who are having business here, like having a salon also.
Yeah.
Yes, there are Filipinos here. So, kasi mas gusto nila yung mas rewarding in terms of course, of finances. Finances and time.
At nagagawa nila yung passion
Oo,
talaga
magagawa
nila.
nila yung passion talaga nila. So,
Unlimited.
Yes. So, bali, my advice is focus kung ano talaga yung gusto nila, ng interest nila. Hindi sila basta-bastang mag-jump into business na hindi nyo naman interest.
Mensahe na lang po sa mga gusto nyong pasalamatan.
For this business, I would like to thank my business partner, Mr. Abdisamad Abulusud, and of course my staff and all the students who trusted, or all the candidates who trusted us, who were relocated already in Germany, and all our partners and clients na continue support and trust. Ako po si Dr. Gracila Ocag-Dicena, co-founder po ng Explorem dito po sa Marrakesh, Morocco.